Now let's explore the Pharma Blogs section of Pharminho, a dedicated space designed to simplify official regulatory updates and notifications from CDSCO and other government authorities related to drug approvals and pharmaceutical regulations. The Pharma Blog transforms lengthy and complex official notices into short, structured, and easy-to-understand articles, helping users stay updated without going through difficult regulatory documents. At the top, you will find a smart search bar that allows users to quickly search the blog using keywords and tags. To make navigation even easier, Pharminho provides advanced filtering options. Users can sort the blog based on newest to oldest, oldest to newest, or alphabetical order. There is also a dedicated date filter where users can select from a specific date to a specific date range to quickly find notices published within a particular timeline. Each block is displayed in a clean card-based format with a title image, short description, publication date, and related tags, making the content visually engaging and easy to browse. On clicking a blog card, the complete article opens with a detailed yet simplified breakdown of the official notice or regulatory update. The blog includes a summarized explanation, important regulatory highlights, key impacts and changes, and simplified insights to help users quickly understand the official update. With Pharma Blog, Pharminho makes regulatory information more accessible, readable, and easier to follow, all in one place.